Hello everyone and welcome to Slick Ride's Garage. Today we're removing an air conditioning compressor from a first generation Mazda 6. Okay, so this procedure applies to all V6 equipped 2003 to 2008 Mazda 6s. The placement of this compressor is actually kind of bad. It's down on the right front lower corner of the engine. That makes it a little tough to get to. I like to start by removing the 5 cap screws for the wheel liner, then move inboard and remove the bumper cover to core support bolt. Remove both push pins where the bumper cover attaches to the wheel liner, along with this fastener right here. Most of the time they look like this or this. These 3 can also be removed if you need more clearance. Remove the bumper cover to fender screw. Grab a hold of the back of the cover, give it a gentle tug to detach it. Position it where it won't contact the fender. Remove the bulb and socket from the marker light. Give it a twist to the left and pull back. There's 2 remaining fasteners, this push pin and this screw. Once the same fasteners have been removed from the other side, the bumper cover is ready to come off. Be careful around the grille. The clips in the bottom of it are easily broken if we get too much movement. Excess movement can cause fender contact and scratch it. Make sure the cover didn't re-engage the sliders. Then pull it out a little bit to detach it from the brackets under the headlights. Gently pull the cover to one side, then move that side away from the vehicle. Move the bumper cover the other direction and carry it away from the car. Now remove the headlight bolts. There's 2 on the bottom, 1 on the side, and 2 on top. Move the headlight forward and detach the electrical connector. We'll be moving the radiator support forward a little bit. That means we need to detach the coolant expansion tank to get some clearance. Detach this 8mm screw that holds this air conditioning line to the condenser. Now we can remove the upper core support bolt on both sides. I also detached the wiring harness from the right side of the radiator support. Remove the 2 lower and top outboard bumper bolts. Leave the other one in for now. Grab a long bolt that's the right thread size, thread it in until the screw sticks out a little bit on the back side. Remove both remaining inboard bolts. Slide the radiator support back. Move the tensioner towards the rear of the car and slip the drive belt off of the power steering pump. Detach the electrical connection for the compressor clutch. Remove the serpentine drive belt from the air conditioner, then remove the lines. Remove the 2 lower bolts from the AC compressor. The bolt above the oxygen sensor will have to stay in just for now. Detach the top compressor bolt. Move the compressor towards the passenger side of the car, tilt the core support up on the bottom, and remove the compressor from the vehicle. And that's how we remove an AC compressor from a first generation Mazda 6 V6. Thanks for watching Slick Ride's Garage. We'll see you next time.